Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another AMC problem. We'll be talking about problem number 22 of the 2024 exam. So, just this year. Let's get started. A roll of tape is 4 inches in diameter and is wrapped around a ring that is 2 inches in diameter. So then this part will just be 1, right? Because this part's going to be 1 and so is this part. So that 1 plus 2 plus 1, that's going to be 4. Okay, and the tape is 0.015 inches thick. So I've drawn this blue border that wasn't originally in the question to make it easier to understand. So this is just going to be 0.015. Okay, and this is a cross section of the figure, by the way, which means we can see it from the side. If the tape is completely unrolled, approximately how long would it be? Round your answer to the nearest 100 inches. Okay, so what's our first step going to be? Our first step is just going to be to find the area of the annulus. What is an annulus? Well, in a circle donut shape, let's say you take off the center part. Whatever's left, the outer part, is going to be the annulus. Okay, so let's solve for the annulus. So every circle is pi r squared, as we all know. So what is going to be the area of the whole circle, this whole thing? Well, that's just going to be 4, or no, the radius is 2, right? So 2 squared pi, so 4 pi. But then we need to subtract the inner area, which is just going to be a radius of 1 inch, so that's just going to be pi, right? Because 1 squared is just 1. So that leaves us that the area of the annulus is 3 pi. But now what? They just gave us the thickness of the tape. This is when we need to use the concept of using area in two ways. What do I mean by this? Well, think of it like this. Isn't the area of all the shaded region just going to be the length of the tape times 0.015? Because when you roll the tape over and over with that thickness, you're going to stack up whatever the annulus is. So this stands true. Okay, and now we need to find length, right? So we just divide both sides by 0.015. Right, so we need to do 3 pi over 0.015. That's about 1 over 60. And we can approximate, right? Because it says nearest 100 inches, and the gaps between each inch choice are so large. And this is the same thing as saying 3 pi times 60, which is about 180 pi. And pi is about like 3.14-ish, right? So let's just think of it as 3. So 180 times 3, that's just going to be 540. And 540 is pretty close to 600, so that's going to be our answer for this problem. So I hope you guys enjoyed another AMC 8 video. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.